So before I go arrangement ng ating entrance, we have the 18 blue bills, 18 gifts, 18 shots, 18 roses, and 18 candles. Kindly form and prepare yourself because in a few minutes we'll be starting our program.
But before we start, let me introduce first myself. My name is Michael Vizca and I'll be your host for the rest of the evening. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, family and friends, good evening. Welcome to this wonderful celebration as we gather to honor and rejoice in this milestone. As we officially begin our program, may we all share the joy of this special occasion. Without further ado, let us commence this unforgettable night. It is with great joy and excitement we welcome each of you to this special celebration, the debut of our lovely Earthalea. Tonight, we are gathered to honor a young woman who is stepping into a new chapter of her life with grace and confidence. The debut of a lovely Earthalea. Tonight, we are gathered to honor a young woman who is stepping into a new chapter of her life with grace, confidence, and dreams as bright as the stars. Prepare yourself, because tonight, we embark on a journey filled with love, laughter, and heartfelt memories that will last a lifetime. So sit back, relax, and make this evening unforgettable. Now let's begin. Earthalea has had happy years in a very happy home. The love of a family will always be God's greatest book. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Alright, once again, ladies and gents, the members of the family of our inhabitants. Requesting all the family members. As we welcome the family members of our inhabitants. Ayan. Sila po ang miyembro ng pamilya ng ating Davidan Sidlay. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, sa mga nagagandahan at nag-apruhan natin ang member ng ating people close to the hearts of our Davitante. Starting off with the first set of our 18, the 18 Blue Bills. Palakpakan naman po. Requesting the members of our 18 Blue Bills. Ay. Isang masigaw po palakpakan naman. As they walk in our red carpet. They are the generous individual. Ayan, syempre, nandiyan ang ating former principal, Ma'am Rita Molina. Ayan, marami tayong makapalang bulsa ng mga guests tonight. Thank you so much for gracing this event. And I'll follow by of course, just get ready because after our 18th gift, we have our 18 shots.
18 gifters. Once again, welcome to the members of our 5 sets of 18. We have the Blue Bills, the Gifts. Ayan, isang masigabong palakpakan naman sa ating members of the staff. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a candle light represents guidance and love. These 18 chosen individuals will now step forward to light the path of our debutante of our 18th. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of our 18 candles. Ayan, dyan naman po tayo dumaan sa Arco and Red Carpet. Sayang naman po yan. Are the chosen individuals that were designated to light the path of our debutante. And at the same time, offering wishes. Ayan, so I hope okay na tayo now. Gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. Tonight, we celebrate a beautiful young woman is stepping into a new chapter of her life, filled with dreams, aspiration, and boundless possibilities. Now, let us all rise and welcome with hearts full of love and admiration this star of the evening. The one who brings warmth and joy to everyone around her, with grace, elegance, and beauty that shines from within. Let us give a round of applause as we witness the grand entrance of our lovely debutante, Erthalea E. Kawali, together with the proud parents, Mr. Edson Kawali and Ms. Lali Kawali. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan. The entrance of our debutante, known as Erthalea. Isang masigabong palakpakan po ulit. Alright, you may now be seated. It's such a spectacular grand entrance by our while walking on our red carpet. Thank you so much once again to Mr. Edison Kawali and Ma'am Lillian Kawali.
Mapagmahal naming Diyos, salamat po sa biyaya ng ulan na iyong pinagkaloob sa amin. Salamat po sa pagkakataong ito na kami ay nagkakatipon-tipon dahil sa isang napakaganda at napakahalagang okasyon ang pagdiriwang ng ika-18 taong kaarawan ni Ertelia. Panginoon, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa 18 taon na buhay na patuloy niyo pong ipinagkakaloob sa kay Yang Yang. Salamat po Panginoon sa patuloy mong pagpapala sa kanyang buhay. Salamat sa lahat ng mga biyayang patuloy niyo pong ibinubuhos sa kanyang buhay kasama ang kanyang pamilya. Sa gabing ito, siya po ay nagdiriwang ng kanyang ika-18 kaarawan. At kami ay patuloy na nananalangin na sana kung paano mo po siyang pinagpala sa mga nakaraang araw ng kanyang buhay, sana ay ganun ding pagpapala ang kanyang makamit sa mga nalalabing mga araw pa o sa marami pang mga taon na kanyang ipapamalagi. Panginoon, dalangin namin na sana ibigyan mo po siya ng maayos na pangangatawang palagi. Ang kanyang mga ambisyon sa buhay nawa ay iyong patnubayan at nawa ito ay kanyang mapagtagumpayan kasama ang kanyang pamilya, ang kanyang mama at saka papa at ang buong pamilya. Sana sa gabing ito, ang aming pagdiriwang na ito ay maging puno ng kagalakan at kasiyahan. Sana sa aming pagdiriwang na ito, ikaw ang siyang sumama upang sa gayon, ganap na maging matagumpay po ang lahat. Pagpalain mo po ang bawat isa, bendisyonan mo po kaming lahat, Panginoon, upang kami ay maging karapat-dapat sa iyong harapan o dakilang Diyos. Kami po sana ay iyong patawarin sa lahat po ng aming mga pagkukulang. Sa gabing ito, inaangkin po namin ang katagumpayan ng gawain ito. Hiling po namin na kami po ay iyong kaawaan at kahabagan. Ito pong aming samo at dalangin sa pangalan ni Kristo na aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Thank you so much, Mr. Janelle Gonzalez, for blessing our venue and program tonight.
Ayan, thank you so much for your collaboration. And of course, here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, here's Mommy Lelen E. Kawaling to welcome us all of us to their lovely daughter's 18th birthday party. A resounding round of applause, please.
Ayan, ang ganda ni Mami naman.
Good evening sa inyong atanan. Nalipay ako nga o di kabutanan nga. Mga pagigani. Nga kay bahan namon nga nag-celebrate sa 18th birthday ni Yayang. Thank you so much. Welcome kamutanan. Kabay nga malipay ka mo sa amon nga share nga blessing. Kabay pa nga dungan ka mo nga
Enjoy.
ano gani?
Enjoy tonight.
Dungan ka mo nga malipay sa among pag-celebrate. Welcome, and thank you sa pag-ayan.
Ayan, inyo pong narinig ang sobrang semi-emotional pala na mensahe at welcome address na binigay ng ating ina ng Italian court as they enchant us with their performance. Ayan, para po mas lalong ganahan ng ating gabi dyan, isang masigabong palakpakan niya dyan. And of course, our Daddy Time is escorted by Mr. Josh Amanda. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Erthalea and her court in their grand Kotalu.